Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, today we are going to discuss on how to develop ODK, which is Open Data Kit. So let's define briefly proceed to the procedure of developing this form. So what is an ODK? It's a free and open source suite tool used for data collection, management, and submission in resources constrained environment. Is widely used in research, publication, humanitarian response, agriculture and development projects, education, health, lots more of it. So what important is ODK is for you as a data analyst, data collector, or M&U officer. So offline data collection and ODK allowing to collect data offline. Customized forms give you a logical like skill patterns constraint that you like to create a data real-time monitor. It will be able to help you monitor your data collectors on a few media, multiple media support, collect photos, GPS, audio, broadcast, and data. Cost effective is reduced for paper-based data collection and manual entry. So let's proceed to the development of the form. So I've already launched my browser. So first thing we are going to do is go into the website. Go to the website www.covertoolbox.com. covertoolbox.com. So let's just wait for it to load. So yeah, it has loaded. So now here we go. So this is where you start. Just go in here and create an account. So when you log in, creating an account, you create an account, log in or sign in. So I've already having an account. So all I need is to just sign in. But as for you, for the first time you need to create an account. So let's just put it through on how to create an account. Just click on creating an account. So that's just it. Your name, your username, your email, your country, your sector. In this sector, you select where you either with the information, humanitarian, education, emergency, food security, and more. That's just it. So just click anyone, come with organization, your non-profit, government institution, educational organization, and a lot of it. So you just need to check in list too, so you could proceed. So let's just go back signing because I already have an account. So yeah, sign in, login. So we are logging sharply. List the form developed previous time. So you see baseline assessment, community safety and accessibility survey. You have already developed a survey. So that's just it. So yeah, release the deployment tab. After building your form, you just deploy it and it should be accessible for everyone. Then yeah, let's proceed as we go. So to develop an element, just click a new. So a dialog will appear after you click on new project. So you see building from scratch, use template, import from XLSForm, then upload an XLSForm. So we are building from scratch. You click on build from scratch. So name of the project, let's just say okay, what do you do? What do you decide? Okay, let's just say what health survey. Let's just make it as health survey. So let's just make this as health survey. So just come into description form and describe what you are going to do. Okay, let's just say this survey is to assess the general health factor of the community. General health factor of the community. So that's just it. Just go here and click your sector, public administration, health and services, health and services, country of eligibility. So let's just click for Nigeria. Click Nigeria. Good. So it's a great project. We have created a project. So now you have created a project. This is how everything is. So as you build, you will click save and proceed. So how do you start building a question? So you just come here in the plus sign here and click add question. So first thing we are going to say, okay, let's just say what is your name? So say what is your name? What is your name? So just click add. When you add, still you're still gonna have a dialog box like this. So this, in case you want to be in decimal here, in case you want to collect a point, you just make it. In case you want to select just one, just make it select one. You know, blah blah blah. A point, a line, an area, a calculation, hidden rating, not. In case you want to be in not, just make it in not. Text. So now let's just make it in text so that you'll be able to type in your question. Still, you can come here, settings. Here is gonna be, so in case you want this question to be compulsory, just make it yes, compulsory, and proceed. In case there are logic urgent, let's just leave this one for today. You don't need this one. We just made this one as compulsory. What again? Add more question. We ask of your name. So what you are going to say? Gender. So yes, just click add. I'm just gonna make it select one. So when you click select one, how to make the option available? Let's just say male, option 2, yeah, male, then option 2, let's just say female. So that just it. Just come to the setting. In case you want to delete this video, just come here and delete it. You want to duplicate it, come here and duplicate it. Yes, you want a question library, just come here, you add a question library. So that just it. So let's just, on this setting, let's make this one a mandatory so that you can proceed to the next question without answering this one. So let's add a question again. What's your name, health, gender? So let's just make it H. Yeah, H. Let's just say H. Add question. Just make it more like text. Yeah, let's just make it text. Settings. Let's just say, let's make these settings compulsory as well. You close the dialog box, you proceed. Then yeah, we proceed. So in case you want to review your form as you continue developing, you can just come here and click review. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Yeah, good. Health survey. You see, this is how I review. This is how the form is gonna be. So that just it. Let's close and proceed. Let's add more questions and say we have at age. So what are we going to ask again? Family size. Okay, family size. Family size as well. Let's add this. So let's make this family size just as number, so they were able to just write it in number. Let's add more question. Okay, let's say, do you have a health facility here? So it's question. Let's just make it yes or no. So let's just make it select one as well, so that they can be option of yes and option of another one again as no. So let's just say, let's make this one compulsory as well, mandatory. Sorry, so English people are big. So let's add one question. Okay. So which question I'm gonna ask again? I'm here. Okay. Is it functioning? So is it functioning? Is it functioning? Let's make it select one as well. So let's just option 1 yes, 2 no. Let's add one again and say I don't know, in case the person doesn't know if the health facility is functioning. I don't know. So that just it. Let's add more question to it. Okay. Are list services available in this health center? Are list services available? Okay, so now we are going to make it as select many, so that you're able to select as much as that is available in the health center. So number one, let's just say ANC. Number two. Next option is lab. 3, nutrition, in case they render nutrition services. Next, pharmacy services, in case they render pharmacy services at a health facility. So let's add more. What again? Labor and delivery. Labor. Okay. Yeah. Labor and delivery. Let's add more options. Labor and delivery, HIV and TB counseling, HIV stroke TB counseling, yeah, I think I got the spelling right. HIV and TB counseling. What again? Health education. Yeah, so as more as you can remember about health indicator that you want to know. So as well, let's make it compulsory, mandatory, yes. Let's close the dialog box. So let's preview our form. Let's view our form. Yes, straight. So you see how it is. Gender, it's compulsory. So you see, yeah, you see this one. You can make, since we check, you can select more. You can select as much as you can. So that's the video of checking, selecting more. So what else? Okay, I think let's just proceed with adding. So just like that, you can do a lot of things. So what I'm going to put again, in case you want a coordinate. So okay, yeah, leave service away. Oh, so let's go to settings here. List metadata. So the start time, it will be indicators, because you are checking it today. Check this one, it will be all this. So that just this one will make you everything is gonna be. In case you want to collect phone number of the device ID, you want to collect device ID, so check it. You want to collect phone number, just check it as much as metadata you want. Just be checking it. Enable audio. This one, in case you want to enable audio, in case you want to know if your data collectors are at the appropriate location. Maybe you send them to the school and they decide to go to market and collect their data. So when you say the survey will record audio, you'll be able to know. Yeah, you'll be able to know, because you will hear it will capture the background noise. You'll be able to know where they collected the information. So here we go. So this is a point in case you want to collect a job coordinate for this is here. So you just make it as compulsory as well, so that they must have to collect a job coordinate for this. They must have to collect a job coordinate for this. So let's click yes. So in case you want to add, what I'm going to add again, date and time. Just make this compulsory, date and time. What again? Coordinate, date and time. What I going to add? Ranking, timing. Yes, in case we have made date and time compulsory. So is that in case you want a video, so just make provision for video collection. So that just it. And what is it? Date is here. So we are already made provision for that. I think that just it. So let's just proceed. Yeah, let's just proceed with other things. Let's just proceed with other things. So let's just preview the form. Yeah, we have this preview form. Yes, so this is a coordinate that you must have to collect the date and the time. That just it. Okay. So here, just save it. It will be saved as draft. Successfully saved update. So it will save as draft. So let's Let's go back. So here we are. Now we have one draft. Now after you have developed your form, all you need to do is to deploy it. So we have a draft here. Let's just click on it. So these are just, in case you just check all of them, you want to delete them, you can just come here and click delete. So that's just it. That's just it here. In case you want to delete any of the survey you are no more interested, then just click delete and it will be deleted instantly. So that's just it for this one. So let's open this one. Yep. These are questions. This is how everything is. Let's go back. So we have deployed 3. One is in the graph. So we are going to open down the draft and we are going to select it. So when you open the draft and select the form, these are our form. So these are our data. So this is the form. This one is a summary of all the information of collectors, blah blah blah, and that's just it. So okay. In case you want this different, just click edit. You want to preview is here. You want to replace form. That's just everything there. So let's just deploy the form. Let's click deploy it. Perfect. Our form is deployed and it's live for data collection. In case you have edited it, after edition, you must have to redeploy this form. So in case you need to edit the form, you just come, click here and edit it and redeploy it again. So our form are ready. So this is the form that's ready. So this is collection data. Allow submission to this form without username. If you want collection without username and password, just check this one in case. So this is the data we are going to collect. So just come here and select each of these things. Online, offline, so multiple selection. It will select multiple selection, either online and offline. So if you want to just like that, Android application, if you want to collect this data using Android application as well, just select it. So it's gonna be on Android application, so you can download it on your phone or send the link to your enumerators or data collectors. Everything will be collected as well, so using my mobile phone. So yes, that does it. Forms, I think that's just it, more action. So that just, in case you want to share this, just share the project to your people, and that just, in case you want to clone this project, you can clone as well. So here so in case you want to share, just click on come here and click on share project and it will be shared as well. So now we are having 4 deploy project here. 4 deploy health survey. We are on health survey. Yeah, we have 4 deployed project here. So this is the one we just created, health survey. So that's just it. In case you want to share it, you can just add anyone can view this form. Just make it anyone, just check it as anyone can view the form. So this is the link. Just copy it and paste it to people. Your form are ready. Your form will be ready for collection. Edit form. Just come here and edit it. Preview a form. Just come here and preview everything is shared. Collect data. So that's just it. Everything is set. We have developed a form and our form is ready for collection of data. Manage translation. We don't need this one because that's where we're able to change this one. So we have not collected any data. If we have collected a data, that's where all the data we collected will be here, so it will be visible to you as a admin to see. So here, let's just say you have collected data. This is where you are going to download all the data you collected, and it will be downloaded to your files, and as well you can open it direct using Excel and continue working on them. So we are good to go. That's setting, blah blah, everything. So sharing, just click on here, share public by link, just make it by link. Here is the link, just copy everything and just send it to your people. That's just it. Transfer project ownership. In case you want to transfer project ownership to anybody, maybe you build the form to somebody and you want to transfer the ownership, you can just do that as well. So that's just it. Okay, let's open this one and see some other features. Good. Now this is the earlier form I developed. So let's go in the data and see. Good. Now these are the data I collected earlier. So if I want to download this data now, I will just select all. So we'll just select all here, come here and download the data. We click download, you'll be able to download everything. So if you want to delete it, you can come here and delete it because you already checked everything. So that's just a setting, blah 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 blah. That's where in case you want to edit it and save changes and redeploy it, that's just it. So summary. Yeah, that's just it. That's just it. I think we can just call it a day. This is a summary of the data I collected, 21, total of 21. So that's just, we are collecting 21 data using this form ODK when I was collecting the data. So I think that's just it. So please do well, like, subscribe and share this YouTube channel for more knowledge. And please, one more thing, please try and develop a form. Please try and develop a form. So that's just it. Have a great day. You can as well explore this. You can explore other features, so you'll be able to know more about ODK. Thank you and God bless you. Happy weekend.